why, but I always order shakshuka at cafes but never make it at home, and it's so easy to do. I'm going to show you a version using lamb mince. Now we need to heat some oil in a pan that's oven safe. Now I love to use this pan because it has a detachable handle. So when it's cooked, I can take it to the table and serve it in this dish, and it looks quite beautiful. So on with the handle and a good glug of extra virgin olive oil. Say about a tablespoon, and we need to saute our vegetables. The difference between making a good shakshuka and a fantastic shakshuka is taking the time to cook the vegetables. So about 6 to 8 minutes, or until they really caramelize and cook down. So 1 onion, I've finely chopped it. We just want to really develop those flavors. So in with a capsicum also. This is half a large capsicum. We can season this with some salt now and pepper. 1 clove of garlic. Just going to bruise the garlic and finally chop it. And I don't want to add my garlic yet because it does cook quite fast. So I want to cook this down, and then right at the end I'll add that fresh garlic. I'm also going to add some coriander stalks and roots. So much flavour in the coriander stalks and roots, and usually we throw them out. Don't. Give them a really, really good wash and finely chop them, and they can also go in at this stage. And now we'll be patient and wait for this to caramelise. This is looking pretty good, so we can add our garlic and our spices. I'm using a combination of cumin and allspice, and just toast this off for a moment, and we can add our lamb. So a small amount of fatty lamb for this, and we'll just break it up with our fingers and cook this down until it just starts to change colour. I always like to grab a fork at this stage and just squash the meat and separate it so we get lots of little bits. Smells fantastic. I've got some good colour on this lamb, so in with the tomatoes, some crushed tomatoes, and just grab some water and clean out that can, about half of the can of water. We don't want to waste any of those lovely tomatoes, so in that go. And then stir that. Now this is going to come to the boil, and we're going to turn it down to a gentle simmer, and it's going to cook for about 15 minutes or until it's thick and rich. All right, this is thick and rich now, so we'll take it off the heat and we can crack our eggs into our meat sauce. Now, there's 2 ways of cooking this. You can cook this on the stovetop, or you can cook it in the oven. I prefer in the oven so we get a lovely even heat as these eggs cook. And I like to crack my eggs into a bowl first. So we'll start with 1. Make a little indent into the meat sauce, like a little nest for our egg, and we'll pop our egg in. So first one. And I'm going to do this with 4 eggs. Doesn't that look fantastic? We need to season the eggs, pinch of salt on each, and some pepper. And just because, a little splash of extra virgin olive oil. Fabulous. This goes into the oven. It's going to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees, or until those egg whites are set and the yolk is still just slightly runny. Shakshuka eggs, they look fantastic. See how there's a slight wobble in the center? That's what I'm after, and I love these little pools of olive oil. Now, to make this look extra special, I'm going to add a tahini dressing. So tahini in the bowl. Just grab a spoon, make it easier to get out of the bowl. And it's quite thick, so to loosen this up, a splash of water, and mix that up. I love the nutty creaminess of the tahini. It works really nicely with the lamb and the spices that we added to it. So now that it's thinning out, we can add some lemon for some zing. Just cut that in half, a good squeeze of lemon. And another stir. You can see it's still just slightly too thick. We want to be able to drizzle this over. So again, just add a bit more. The amount of water that you add to this will depend on what type of tahini you have. Okay, that's what we're after. Almost like pancake batter. So I'm going to drizzle this over our eggs. Oh, yummo. And to garnish this, a few sprigs of coriander just around the eggs, but still showing off those eggs because they're just so beautiful. And this is how I would take it to the table. You can take a little handle off. Beautiful shakshuka eggs done with lamb mince, so yummy. All that's missing here is some crusty bread, and then it's perfect.